What is happening to this girl? A resident's doorbell camera captured a scene in which a girl ran up to their door, pleading for help. It appears that she is saying she has been robbed and is being followed, and she wants the homeowner to open the door and call 911 to assist her. But is that the truth? Be cautious about this situation. It could be a setup, and she might be a scammer. To avoid any trouble, the best course of action is to call the police.
Come on, come here! Please help! Come on, come on! Someone just tried to rob me!